Hey, what's up, everybody? I wanted to take a moment to tell you guys thanks for connecting with the channel and connecting with me. And if you haven't already, there is a subscribe button that you should be hitting right over here. It costs you absolutely nothing, and it is fantastic for me and my family. Helps us out tremendously as we grow the channel. In my previous two videos of this series, I showed off the front and back designs of my custom BboongBboongee trading card. Continuing the series, let's dive into what happens after you've got your design files set up on your computer. First, the type of paper is important. You could conceivably use any type of paper compatible with the printer you are using. For my work on this card, I'm using Pengear's Diamond Print Glitter, which is a registered trademark. It's a white glitter cardstock. I bought a 10-pack of 8.5 by 11 for around $5. If I break that down in a perfect printing world, by card, 9 cards per page, that comes out to less than 6 cents per card for the top layer of the design. This is perfect for small production runs like what I do. I found a comparable item on Amazon that you can purchase via the link in the description or the card popping up now in the upper right hand corner of the video. Once you have your paper, it's time to load it into your printer. Since this is a specialty paper, experience has taught me that for anything other than plain white paper, I should only place one sheet at a time in. Even that appears to be a challenge for me, but I can still handle it with flair and pizzazz. In parts 1 and 2, I've featured this template. It's basically me measuring exactly 2.5 by 3.5 inches, creating an outline, and then evenly duplicating and distributing 8 copies across the 8.5 by 11 inch printer paper canvas. I make sure there is enough room all around each individual card outline so my less than stellar scissor skills can be compensated for.
I'm sorry, Mom, for failing out of Scissor Ninja School.
I place my front card design into the template, then duplicate that file for the front card design 8 more times and place those exactly over an existing empty card outline. The purple guides in Photoshop are heaven sent for an amateur like me. You don't have to use the same design for all slots either. You could use this method to place whatever trading card design you want into each slot. Also, I'm well aware that there may be better ways of doing this. I know it's hard to believe, but I can't possibly know everything. Now it's time for Photoshop print settings. Here are my settings displayed on the screen to assist you with any troubleshooting you may be doing. Cross your fingers, grit your teeth, and keep your holy hand grenade nearby as you click Print.
Yes, of course! The holy hand grenade of Antioch!
If you're lucky and the proper sacrifices have been made, your sheet will print. Here's the front design for my BboongBboongee custom trading card, printed as a card sheet on glitter paper. Asa chota! Since I have my blank template, I generally keep some plain white trading card sized blanks from that template when I print it off to act as my middle layer. The outline for each trading card is already on these, so you can keep everything scaled the same, and if you use scissors like me, be sure to reference the outside portion of the border for the best look that is very adjustment friendly. It's time to rinse and repeat the steps from the front layer for the back layer.
Hey, I've seen this one.
Now you have your 3 layers, and you can play around with trimming to ensure the best look and that there's no overhang. I still haven't got the hang of that. I'm already in production for the 4th and final video in this particular how-to series. I'll go over my experience with getting a good seal on the card layers, and I'll share with you some of my mistakes. I really appreciate the opportunity to show you some of my processes, and I hope that it'll jumpstart your own creative processes and energy. Let's continue to enjoy life and create together.